Can a Muslim work in a conventional bank, as today the economy of the whole world is based on interest? No. A Muslim cannot work in a conventional bank which is based on riba and interest, because riba is a major sin. And according to Imam Adhabi, he places riba as the 12th major sin in Islam. And there are several places in the Quran, the word riba is mentioned 8 times in the Quran, and several places it says haram. Allah clearly says in the Quran in Surah Baqarah chapter number 2, verse number 270, 279, that if you do not give up your demands for riba, for interest, Allah and His Rasul will wage a war against you. So working in a company which is fully haram, if I ask the question, can you work in an alcoholic company? And the Muslims will say no. Can you work in a company which is dealing with cocaine and drugs, which is haram? And the answer is no. Alcohol is the 19th major sin in Islam. So the answer is no for that. How can you work in a conventional bank? It is a bigger haram. Interest is a bigger haram as compared to alcohol. Alcohol is a major sin. But Allah doesn't say that Allah and His Rasul will wage a war against you. So if you deal in riba, directly or indirectly, then Allah and His Rasul will wage a war against you. So working in any position in a conventional bank, whether as a manager, whether as a deputy manager, whether as a clerk, whether as an accountant, whether as a doorkeeper, all these is haram. And even if the world is based on interest, you should not deal with it. Yes, the other alternative is you can work in an Islamic bank which is based on the Islamic Sharia, that is permitted.